Hello fellow traders, welcome back to FX Review with another review. So today we're going to review Degiro. Degiro is a regulated broker regulated by the Dutch Central Bank and the Authority for Financial Markets. Their mission statement explains their intention to provide a low-cost, comprehensive share dealing service via a simple, trustworthy platform, empowering their customers. The service allows investors to access global exchanges at any time, in any place, from any device. The brand was formed in 2008 and is aimed at the worldwide trading community. Degiro provides its users with several trading platforms to choose from. Web users will find the Degiro site easy to navigate and make trades on. It's clear that a lot of effort has been put into the user experience for additional safety. The site uses two-step authentication, which means that your personal information and trading data will always be kept safe. As a truly international day trading platform, Degiro is attended to your local language. For example, the UK users will find the site's leads in English, whereas the Germany traders will load a German version of the site without having to adjust any settings. Degiro's web-based platform is perfect for executing trades despite not being the most advanced trading site in the industry. While it is easy to use, a lack of customization options could potentially be improved upon. However, the search functions are excellent and will generally find the name of the product you are looking for before you have finished typing. Products are categorized by asset class, and you can also view the stock market and currency each product is available in. There is even an option to filter your search based on type of asset you are currently interested in. At Degiro, it's possible to access many different markets and trade with hundreds of products. Contracts for differences and forex markets are available. Degiro provides execution-only share dealing. The following asset classes and the market are supported by the Giros: stocks, exchange-traded fund, bonds, options, funds, and futures. Overall, the Giro is great for access to stock exchanges and ETFs. There are currently 32 stock exchanges listed with more than 5,000 ETFs to choose from. Degiro allows users to deposit and withdraw funds via several methods, each of which is geared toward more inclusive trading. Deposits to the platform can be made via the following methods: a bank transfer, trustly available in selected countries, and so forth available in selected countries. The firm has relatively strict rules on bank transfer deposits. This means Degiro will only accept bank transfers in bank accounts linked to your name, from accepted countries only. Trustly deposits typically take around 30 minutes to arrive. Degiro does not charge any commission or fees for depositing funds into your account, and there is no minimum deposit at the Degiro. For the withdrawal, it does not charge any withdrawal fees like many online day trading platforms. Withdrawals can only be made via bank transfer. The firm ensures that will withdrawn amount are sent via bank transfer within 3 business days. However, most transactions are proceed within 1 business day. As a security measures, users are not permitted to transfer to accounts that are not in their own name. It is worth noting that Degiro may require additional information for you prior to authorizing an initial withdrawal. If this information is not provided promptly, the withdrawal period could take longer than the standard 3-day time frame. Degiro offers the following account types. There is custody account, there is the basic account, there is the active account, trader account, day trader account. This comprehensive range of accounts means that the needs of most traders are covered. All accounts come with their own individual benefits, many of which can be tailored to suit individual trading requirements. At the end, Degiro is the perfect choice for traders who want a simple platform without having to spend an awful lot on fees. It is a lot cheaper than some of its bigger European competitors, with few coming close to even competing with the Degiro current fee listing. The lack of markets and investment types. It does mean, however, it is better suited to buy and hold investors rather than active day traders. Opening an account is incredibly rapid, which means new traders can typically have an account ready to use within a single day. With a dedicated, integrated website and the mobile app, the Degiro is ideal for traders who might want to make multiple trades on the move. That being said, guys, we're coming to the end of this video. See you on another review with another brokerage firm. Thanks for watching.